I managed to find a new faceless, mind-blowing niche for your YouTube Shorts channel and Instagram Reels. This niche has little competition among authors, and you will be able to develop in it without any problems and earn money quickly. To create such videos, you will need several neural networks, patience, and a desire to create something new. In my video, I will show everything from beginning to end. You will understand the basis in order to start making content now. Enjoy watching. First of all, we need to come up with a fact, but for this we have neural networks. Go to Google Bard, enter your login from your Google account as well as your password, and now you have the right to use this wonderful neural network. And then many people have a question, but what should we do? But even here, everything is very simple. After all, I came up with everything. You just have to repeat, copy the script that I write, generate a mind-blowing fact, microscopic life in extreme environment, and wait for Google Bard to give you a fully detailed answer. Have you received an interesting detailed fact from the neural network, but it has not become clearer to you? I understand you, so I'll ask you to do what I show you next. Now we go back to the Google bar, and already here you have to ask him to create it simple according to your fact. Generate me 6 prompts of images related to this fact. For this we write to him about it. But what to do with all this information? Don't worry, and then I came up with everything for you. The only thing you need to do is copy our entire fact and go to 11 Labs. We log into the neural network and register through a Google account. 10,000 characters generation will be available to you. We begin to generate and understand 2 errors. Firstly, the voice does not suit us, so we are going to change it. This can be done in a certain tab. I listen to a certain number and select Adam's voices. After that, our second mistake is that our voiceover will go beyond 1 minute, and you have 2 ways. Just shorten the length of this text yourself. Or ask Google Bard to do it by sending him this text and telling him to save it 500 to 600 characters. I've already done it, and I think you won't have any problems with it, so I just generate a great voiceover and download it to my PC. Our next preparatory step will be to copy the first hint. Without a name for the neural network, go to Leonardo AI and register there. I already have an account, and that's why I logged in. You don't have to worry because you have 150 tokens every 24 hours on a free account. After you have done everything, go to the Image Generation tab. After that, go down below and select the aspect ratio of 9:16. And the next step is important for you to choose the generation style. If you are not satisfied with the picture, then repeat the generation. Insert the prompt and generate it, then select the image you like and save it to your computer. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the pictures. So we have come to the most interesting part of creating our video. We will animate our images, and this will be done using the Runway neural network. We log into Runway ML and register using our Google account. There is nothing complicated about this. The next step is to click on Start with Image. In the window that opens, you can select an image to generate or drag it. I go to the folder and select the image to generate, then click Generate. The fragments will be obtained for 4 seconds, and you should wait for the result. And we'll see what happened to me now. It remains to save it on the PC and do these steps with all the images. The last step that we need to do is go to the CapCut. Next, open a new project and import all the files that we collected. I have 6 videos and voice acting, after which I add voice acting to the timeline and start arranging the videos. Try to do everything beautifully by duplicating the same video. I can increase the timing so that everything fits the voice acting. When I have the video series ready, I add transitions. To do this, I go to Transitions and choose the transitions that I like. And we're almost done. We just need to add beautiful subtitles. Go to the Text tab, Automatic Subtitles. Click on the button and wait until they are created. After everything is ready, you can adjust the size, font, style, animation. Do what you like or repeat after me. When you're done, click on Export and save the video. And now I suggest you take a look at the result.
In Earth's deepest trench, Mariana, under crushing pressure that could destroy a submarine, microscopic extremophiles not only survive, but thrive. These marvels, adapted to immense pressure and darkness, find meals raining down or in chemical reactions of the trench floor. Their existence rewrites where life can be, raising questions about life elsewhere. Beyond Mariana, microscopic life thrives in extremes. Tardigrades in space's vacuum, halophiles in Dead Sea's hypersaline depths, and hyperthermophiles boiling in water-hot temperatures. So, next time you see an extreme environment, remember, life might be thriving there, reminding us of its incredible diversity and resilience.
We managed to create such a video. If you approach this matter with your head, you will soon be able to achieve results. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and put likes. See you soon.